turkey neck? Get rid of it before the holidays.
Yeah, right here. Heather Lake, she's live in East Village with this device. Oh, this is gonna make a lot of people happy. Oh, this is CoolSculpting. I know CoolSculpting.
Yes. So Shali's saying, I know what CoolSculpting is. Say that 5 times fast. CoolSculpting. So now there's something new about CoolSculpting. You can get into all those areas that you couldn't before, because CoolSculpting, well, it was this huge thing, and Dr. Nowak, now this is the first time in San Diego that we get the CoolMini. So this is really neat. And what do we use this for?
So the CoolMini is really amazing, and it takes areas that were traditionally a surgery, like the submental area or the jawline. So this is our CoolMini. It's a miniature CoolSculpting applicator. We can do here, we can do bra folds, distal thigh, knee areas. So we're going to apply the applicator. We've marked out that area. We have a little gel on the area, and it has a light suction. It's just going to pinch and pull the little fat cells into those areas. It will cool and crystallize those fat cells, and within 3 days the body starts breaking them down, and it gets better for 3 to 4 months without a surgery, without a downtime, without needles, without injections.
I mean, people are really afraid of the needles and stuff sometimes, and they don't want to do that. But you said 3 days you're going to start doing this. So could you go to work, and would you have any marks or anything for a few days, or would you want to do this on a Friday and maybe take a day off or have the weekend to recover?
Most people don't need to have any time off. There will be some redness right afterwards, and there is a risk of a bruise. Most people that could be covered, although we even have a laser. If someone gets a bruise, I can use a laser to help take that away faster.
Something for everyone. I was saying this will get rid of your turkey neck before Thanksgiving. You know, you want to have the turkey on the table, not on your face, and this is definitely going to be a way to help. Actually, our patient here, we have some before and afters of her, and so you have a couple of pictures to see what this did, and this was just with one treatment?
Yes, so initially she had a Ultherapy, a skin tightening treatment before the Mini was approved. The Mini was available. We did the Mini treatment, and that really took the treatment to a new level. You see the definition on the jawline, you see how that chin has come up, and that was all done without a surgery, and literally she went right back to work after having the treatment.
You know, this is something too that a lot of people have this problem area, and you said you can use this little thing. The FDA just approved the CoolMini. You can use it on other areas of the body as well. Which ones are most popular right now?
So the other area, well, this is the most popular. The next area would be like the little anterior bra fold, the distal thigh, knee area would be another area that traditionally we'd have to treat with surgery, and now we have a non-surgical way to address that.
Okay, I want to know how it feels. I almost want to like put my hand on it and see how, does it hurt at all, or are you just feeling like if you put a vacuum on you?
Exactly, just suction right now. It's going to start getting cool, and then eventually I won't even feel anything.
Nothing. So it just kind of goes numb. And then when you were finished with this the first time you tried it, when you looked in the mirror, you're like, okay, this is awesome, I want to try it again, or did you think those were the results that you needed?
Definitely the results that I needed, and I wanted more, so that's why I wanted to get a second treatment.
Okay. I know Shali's got a question really quick, so I want you to ask. Can we peek into one more room?
Yes,
because
yeah,
this
yeah,
was
go,
the
go.
other
No, just go.
thing I wanted to show before we go. This is another way to tighten the skin, that same turkey neck area, and this is basically with like an ultrasound.
This is ultrasound. So this actually looks into the skin. This is Ultherapy. It finds the layer that they would target with a facelift instead of having to go in surgically. Ultrasonic heat that will cause a lifting and tightening of the skin.
So this is the one that's been around for a while. The CoolMini is what's brand new, FDA approved, and they're actually doing a Facebook contest where you can get something here, anything you want, the CoolMini, this, or anything body treatments for free. So you just have to go on Dr. Nowak, his Nowak Aesthetics on Facebook, and say, hey, I'm thankful for something, and you'll be put into this drawing. So that is really, really cool. We all like free things. Shali, what's your question?
I didn't have a question, but I know someone that did this, and I know that you said you could get rid of your turkey neck before Thanksgiving, and it really does take a few months to see the results. It's not something you walk out and then all of a sudden it's gone.
Right. So Shali's talking about with her friend, it took a little bit of time, like a few months to actually see the fat kind of like go away. Is there sometimes with different skin, different timing for other people, like the fat will melt away within time, or?
Sure. So it's a gradual process, and it starts within a couple of days. By 3 to 4 months, it hit the maximum benefit. In the studies, at 6 weeks, you could actually come back and retreat. So if someone knows they want more, like in this case, this young lady, we're back doing a second treatment at that time period.
Okay, sounds good. I like
all
it.
Without surgery, all without needles. So that's the amazing part.
Yes, absolutely. I don't know about all that going under the knife thing. That seems really scary to me. I want to see how she's doing in here. We're gonna send it back to the studio for now. You've got a little bit of time left.
She
though.
looks comfortable.
Just letting you know.
It's not a coincidence that we did turkey neck a week before Thanksgiving.
Got it.
Thank
All
you,
right.
boss.
Heather Lake, thank you very much. The time right